You guys have to put in offers every day. It is important that offers go out all the time, even if it's just your learning curve. Number one of the things, as I was talking to someone, when you send out the offer, you have to send your video or a presentation. I like to do, I don't have time, and I just do a video saying, hey, I can do it just me talking, or I can do it on Zoom showing the screen. Normally, I would do this face to face, but due to the circumstances, I'm not able to show them, look, here is what they're selling. I would have it set up ahead of time. If on the map, it shows houses at a lot less, showing the map. If on the map, it also shows houses a lot higher, then just pull the addresses that are low, put them on REI, and then just show them the REI map. That's it.